I've been exploring the Goodyear credit card for quite a while now, and in this video, I'm sharing my honest and unbiased review. I'll cover its main perks, reward structure, and a few potential drawbacks, so by the end, you'll clearly understand whether this card deserves to be in your wallet. The Goodyear credit card is a store card designed mainly for drivers who regularly buy tires or vehicle services from Goodyear locations and partner service centers. Instead of offering traditional cashback or travel rewards, the card focuses on promotional financing for tire purchases and automotive maintenance. The biggest selling point is the deferred interest financing. In many cases, purchases above a certain amount qualify for 6 months of promotional financing, and sometimes longer promotions appear during seasonal tire sales. For drivers facing an unexpected tire replacement, that flexibility can make a big difference. It allows you to spread the cost over several months without paying interest, as long as the balance is fully paid before the promotional period ends. Another advantage is acceptance within a fairly large network of auto service locations connected to Goodyear. That means the card is not limited to a single tire shop. You can typically use it for services like tire installation, alignments, brake work, and general maintenance at participating stores. However, the downsides are important to understand. The interest rate after the promotional period is relatively high, which is common for store credit cards. If the balance is not fully paid before the promotional window ends, interest may be applied retroactively to the entire purchase amount. That can quickly turn a helpful financing option into an expensive mistake. The card also lacks the broader rewards that many general credit cards now offer in 2026. There is usually no ongoing cashback for everyday spending, no travel perks, and limited value outside automotive purchases. If you already have a solid cashback card, this one will likely feel very narrow in its usefulness. Approval requirements are typically easier than premium credit cards, which may help drivers with average credit, but that convenience comes with fewer benefits overall. Overall, the Goodyear credit card works best as a short-term financing tool for tire purchases and vehicle services. If you know you can pay off the balance within the promotional period, it can be helpful. In short, it is practical for specific situations, but it is not a strong everyday credit card for most people. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.